it looks, 2FA is a hexadecimal number and we need to convert it to octal number, and we have converted 2FA in corresponding decimal number, A equal to 10, F equal to 15 and 2 equal to 2. After that we have converted decimal number to binary numbers, and it's known to us that for hexadecimal number we require 4 bit to represent binary number. So we have taken 4 bit to 1248, and according this we have find a corresponding binary number, and we combine all binary number, and after that we require 3 bit to represent a octal number. So we have combined from right to left 3 bit for each octal number, and finally we find 1372 as a octal number from hexadecimal number. Thank you all.